In this video, I'll share with you the ideas that you have mentioned in class about the topic whether the Tunisian people have the same concerns. And as you agreed, Tunisian people don't share the same concerns, and this depends on various factors. The first factor that you raised in class was region. And you elaborated on this idea by saying that people, for example, in Sfax and Gebes, have the concern, which is that of environmental issues, mainly pollution. Then you mentioned the example of coastal areas, where people are concerned about tourism because it represents the job opportunities for them. Another example was deprived areas in Tunisia, where people are concerned about getting jobs and the problem of employment. And you said employment and investment, or rather the lack of investment. Depending on region also, people in the northwest of Tunisia are mainly concerned about agriculture and droughts, since this natural catastrophe affects their job. So this is the first factor here. As you can see, region, and we have different examples of regions and then the concerns. The second factor was social status. And under social status, you mentioned two categories, which are the well-to-do, that is to say the rich people, and of course the poor people or the deprived people. The well-to-do are mainly concerned about having luxurious lifestyles, acquiring as much wealth as possible, and of course running their own businesses. On the other hand, the poor are concerned about, of course, getting a job, that is to say, earn a living, and so having a decent life. So here is the second factor, which is social status. And as you can see, we have the well-to-do and the poor and the different concerns. Another factor you mentioned in class was age. And under age, of course, we have the youth and adults. And as you know, these two have different concerns. So first, if we start with the youth, they are concerned about enjoying life to the fullest, as well as their studies, that is, graduation. In addition to that, they are also interested in sport and other hobbies. On the other hand, adults are interested in getting a job, as well as getting promoted in their jobs. And of course, we cannot deny the concern of health issues. So here is the factor of age. It is arranged into two categories. Finally, the last factor was gender. And as you know, male and female have different concerns. If we start with male, we can say that they are interested in security, as well as the desire to get much freedom. On the other hand, female are mainly concerned about gender equality. They are also concerned about avoiding prejudice and stereotypes, and of course, the matter of the pressure of conservative society. You know, they want to go out at night, they want to have much freedom, and all those issues. So, as you can see here, this is a mind map of the topic. All of these ideas you have raised in class. So everything, I hope, is clear, and I invite you now to write a 10-line article about this topic. Good luck.